Let's dive right in. If you're a business leader watching AI evolve at lightning speed, you're probably wondering how on earth to capture that value without just creating more busy work for your team. Well, today we're unpacking the strategic business case presented in the Alvante AI and Automation Practitioner Program. We're going to explore their framework for upskilling your existing people to build real, quantifiable automations. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll cover the AI strategic imperative, building internal AI capability, the 12-month phased journey, real-world business applications, and finally, funding your AI transformation.
Section 1. The AI Strategic Imperative.
Look, the source material presents a pretty stark reality. Your competitors are going to be looking at AI automations. Be ahead of them. This isn't just about jumping on some trendy tech bandwagon. The core premise here is that deploying AI effectively is now an absolute requirement to future-proof your operations and stay ahead of the pack.
The ultimate goal for any senior decision maker is to integrate AI directly into the operational brain of the business. Actually, scratch that. It's more like upgrading your company's entire central nervous system. The objective is to drive serious efficiency and productivity without just throwing more headcount at the problem. We want to work smarter by surfacing insights and automating those tedious, repetitive tasks.
Section 2. Building internal AI capability.
It's so tempting to just hire expensive external consultants when new tech drops, right? But the program highlights some huge drawbacks to that approach. Sky-high costs, rented knowledge, and lost intellectual property the second those consultants walk out the door. Contrast that with upskilling your own staff. You retain all their deep business context, and crucially, you own 100% of the IP for every single automation they build. That is a massive long-term cost saving.
Think about it. Your employees already know your data inside and out. They know exactly where the bottlenecks are because, frankly, they suffer through them every single day. By teaching them low-code and no-code tools, they don't magically need to become software developers. They're just given a framework to map out processes, identify the waste, and build the solutions themselves.
Section 3. The 12-month phased journey.
This journey proves we aren't just throwing tech at a wall to see what sticks. It's incredibly methodical. Months 1 through 3 are heavy on strategy and analysis, really pinpointing those workflows and calculating the ROI. Then, months 4 to 7 shift into design and build, where employees create rapid, iterative automations. Months 8 to 11 tackle adoption and governance across departments. And finally, month 12 is all about mastery, consolidating these skills into permanent organizational capability. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. What about operational disruption or data privacy? Well, the program neutralizes those leadership anxieties with a blended learning approach. It fits right around an employee's day-to-day role, using real business data to solve actual internal problems. Plus, AI safety, GDPR compliance, and ethics are baked in from day one, complete with mandatory human-in-the-loop checkpoints. Every automated decision is properly vetted.
Section 4. Real-world business applications.
Let's talk about tangible ROI and the actual bottlenecks being eliminated across departments. In finance, instead of staff wasting hours manually chasing payments, they're building automated invoicing and data reconciliation flows. Over in HR, high-volume admin gets replaced by automated CV screening and seamless onboarding. And in sales, teams are preventing lost opportunities by automating email marketing, lead capture routing, and instant CRM updates. It's honestly like watching the gears finally click into place. As employees dive into their monthly mini projects, they're immediately automating these multi-system workflows. They might start small, but soon they're connecting different systems end-to-end, like linking a customer email directly to a project board and having AI draft the response. It transforms how the business operates in real time, driving cross-team collaboration and stripping away those costly manual errors.
Section 5. Funding your AI transformation.
Okay, let's talk about the bottom line. The Alvante AI and Automation Practitioner Program delivers an impressive £18,000 worth of elite training over that 12-month period. But here is the absolute game changer. You probably don't have to pay that full amount. Through UK apprenticeship funding, non-levy paying SMEs can receive up to 95% government co-funding. That means you only cover 5%. And if you're a larger, levy-paying business, you can use your existing already paid levy balance to cover the cost entirely, 100% funded. This funding structure is brilliantly designed to make building a high-value, AI-capable internal team incredibly cost-effective.
The strategic play here is all about maximizing your ROI by tapping into those government-backed training funds to modernize your operations. No hidden budget drain whatsoever.
So, as we wrap up this explainer, we're left with the really compelling, almost philosophical question for modern businesses. As AI completely reshapes our landscape, is the smartest investment in the technology itself or in empowering the people who already know your business to wield it? The choice between continuously renting temporary expertise or building a permanent, future-proof workforce, well, that's a choice every leader is going to have to make very soon.